Did you braid your hair?
Yes. To get some curls. To get some waviness.
Okay. So what am I cutting?
Ooh. About that much.
Are you sure?
Yep.
So I don't need to really cut the. So I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna. Just bear with me because I don't want to mess up your hair.
Okay, go ahead.
So can you see about that much?
Yep.
You sure? Let's see.
Ooh. Those two. Yes.
Make sure you no straggly pieces. You know how you hate that.
Oh, I'm getting a hair trim. Ooh.
You sure?
Celeste, if I'm not sure, you already done started. So yes, I'm sure.
And you want it like that all the way?
All the way around.
Wait, okay, so the back is longer.
I don't care.
No, I'm trying to ask you a question so I do it
ahead.
right. Okay. The back is longer,
Mm-hmm.
so does that mean that I just need to cut that much off, or do you want it that length?
I want it the same length around the whole entire head. I don't care if it's longer down to my back, which it is, and I don't want to be bothered with when I'm showering and I got to worry about all that hair. It getting wet and whatever. Just cut it to the length. That's all you got to do. I'll be back in a week.
You're so silly.
You know where that movie that's from?
Is it from The Mask?
No, that's from New Jack City when the old man knocks Wesley Snipes down to the ground and busts his nose.
Oh.
Telling me and they take him out to jail. He said, I'll be back in a week.
Oh, but that was the first time, right? Because the second time he killed him.
Yeah, the second time he killed him.
Little brown, I hope you are in here. They had to kill him though because he wasn't going.
No, he was.
I think he got off.
Ruthless. Yeah, he got out. He knew all the politicians and everything. He kept paying to get off. He was corrupt already. The only way they could get rid of him was he had to die. I gambled on you and you gambled on a crackhead. Is that it?
Yeah. Let's see. Okay.
Yes. Perfect.
It's some straggly pieces.
Well, can we get them straggly pieces out of the way? Yeah, that's perfect.
That's really cute.
Perfect.
Let's see. I seen a video of a loctician, and he said that you don't always need your hair super long. You just need it to do,
Right.
long enough to do a style or something.
Right. Why you need all that hair floating around? It get dirty and then, you got to worry about more upkeep. If it's short, you can keep it clean and move on about your business. It'll take less time to dry.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it works better. So that's still a nice little neck length.
Yeah.
Ain't down my back. And if the ends get wet, I can deal with it.
Do you want to tell the people why you decided to? You see what's inside your lock?
What is it? Oh, let me see. Oh, this is the first time I ever seen it. What the hell is that? My hair twisted? Or not?
I think it's just lint.
Like a cord.
A cord?
No, it looks like an actual cord.
Let me cut the front part because I don't think I cut it and I think it looks a little. It just looks a little. Everything else look cut.
It look unkept.
Not unkept. It just still look like I didn't cut the part, so I'm just trying a little bit off. There we go.
Yes, 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 yes. I like it. I like it. Yes.
I think it's cute.
Works perfect.
Really?
Yes, I'm loving it.
And you don't miss it? Okay.
No, it's almost like a little bob.
Like a little bob. That's what you said you wanted in the first place.
Yep. Perfect.
Do you want to tell the people really quickly why you decided that you wanted to cut your hair?
Yeah, because as the length comes, it becomes more problems with washing and keeping it dry and keeping it clean. It's just better if it's short. You get a nice clean cut look, easy to care for, easier maintenance. So I'm good.
How are you enjoying your lock journey thus far?
I would not go back if somebody paid me. I'm happy. You know, I haven't combed my hair in 3 years.
Oh
almost.
my goodness, Mom. That cannot be your. That cannot
3 years.
Be your opening line.
Yes, 3 years.
Now,
Meaning I can just go, wash and go. That's what I can do. I like it. Wash and go.
So you might experience some shedding because I cut.
That's all right. It ain't gonna shed that much because this stuff is wrapped.
No, it is locked.
It is locked. It ain't gonna shed that much.
Takara, come here. Come look at Mommy's hair and tell me what you think. Make sure I cut it even.
It's really thick in the back.
It is. Really
I mean,
I'm
it's
gonna show
thick.
them
It's so thick, it's heavy.
Come to the front and look at Mommy. What do you think? Ooh. Don't it look cute? It looks snazzy. It does. I can't. It looks like
it cut off some years.
Oh my goodness! Not cut off some years.
It cut off some years.
You're always beautiful.
Yeah, that's what my baby would always say. Anyway, go. Be gone.
I'm gonna be gone. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's really thick in the back.
Yeah.
Really, really thick in the back.
It is, and it's nice. And so she wanted it shorter, but I don't think that. I think we opted against that.
Yeah, I think you did a right length because it's right at the shoulder, right at the neck base. That's good enough. It gives me a lot of fullness in the back and a little short here.
Some of these locks I am gonna cut a little though, because that's why it hurts. Oh, can you tell them about the pain you experienced when I retightened?
Oh my God, yeah, that was like because they had married and doubled up. Yeah. Yeah,
she has a lot of combining locks, and also a lot of her locks are fat at the ends, and when that happens, it makes it harder, like for the thick ends to go through the base. And so this cut will also hopefully help her avoid that in the end. I don't know how you avoid thick locks normally at the bottom. I think some people just have fat tips. I think it depends on your hair texture and let's see.
You see all of that?
Well, I think I got the main one. But yeah, I'm gonna show them a close up. Okay. Oh,
you gonna put that thing in the garbage can? She will have a.
So this is what our hair looks like. I just retightened it. I finished it 2 days ago. as far as her grid is concerned, she doesn't have a grid anymore, to be honest. I'm gonna link back her first video so you can see, but I don't really think she has a grid anymore because I've combined, and I've actually combined a lot of locks, I've had to combine a lot of locks. Hold your head down. There, she has two traditional locks, kind of. This lock right here, and the one above it. I was able to actually interlock it this time because it was both of these. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm stuttering. Both of these were two-headed dragons, and so I cut the two-headed dragon part off. Before that, I wasn't able to interlock it because it was a two-headed dragon. It was too thick. It wouldn't slide into the base. So once I cut that off, I was able to interlock it this time. But in the past, I had been just like retwisting it, and it's still kind of thick. So I'm surprised she didn't sing her favorite song when I said that. But yeah, it's still kind of thick. And so I don't know if I will have to cut on them in the future, but right now it's in the back of her head, so we're kind of just like not really worried about it. Okay, Mom, you can hold your head up. There's one more lock over here that I want to show that I had to combine. This one right here, it is also too thick to go into the base, so I had to interlock it a little bit, and then I had to retwist it, and I retwisted it with another lock next to it. As you can see, it's really thick because I think the one that had to be retwist I combined it with another lock, so it's really thick, so I have to retwist this one when I do it. Sorry, I hope I'm getting good footage, but yeah, I have to retwist it when I do it, and I just retwist it next to the one that's next to it, and I, kind of did it lightly. I didn't do it as tight as I would my cousins or something like that, and then I just put a rubber band on it, but you can't really tell because it's
covered by the other hair.
Yeah, it's covered by the other hair, and so, yeah, can you turn around and look at me? I think it's really cute. Can you? Oh, yeah. You already know what to do, Mom. Okay, and let me get it from the back. Let me shake your hair from the back. So I know a lot of you write me and you always say, my mom's hair gives you hope, particularly if you have fine hair. So I'm glad that this has been helpful for you all. Just continue to be patient. And yeah.
Can I say something?
Of course.
Just stick with it. No matter what stage you're in, just stick with it. I'm telling you, at the end, you will be happy. Just stick with it. Because initially I started out looking like a wet chicken. And if you go back and look at all the links and you see from where I started and to where I am at this point, wouldn't change a thing. Stick with it and subscribe.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank y'all. Bye.